Hey Terry, it's Matt. I'm here to show you how to add multiple notes to your messages. And so right now, with the way that it works, you have the download option, which if they click on notes, it opens up a single note option. And I understand if you want more, and so we're going to do this using the text feature inside of Preach It. So from here, I'm just going to open up one of your most current messages, and don't worry, I'll delete this stuff when we're done here. Once it comes up, this is typically where you'd go to upload your notes. However, message text is another option. And so I'm going to click on message text, and anything I put in here, if I want to put in, download multiple notes, and we'll say, notes 1, notes 2. Okay, I'll put a space there. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to show you what happens on the front end. So once that's done saving, if I refresh, now we're going to have this read option. And the read option, if I were to click on notes, that would open up the note feature. I can print it off, or text. If I click on text, notice this folds down and it gives me the text that I just typed in here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create hyperlinks or links to files using the backend. Now, as I mentioned before, we have a Dropbox here, and you have your own Dropbox, and what you want to do is once you've uploaded your PDFs or Word docs or whatever you're going to be using, you want to simply share it. So I'm going to share this banner here. I'm going to click on share. And I'm going to create a link. And so it's creating the link, and once it's done that, I'm going to copy the link. And once it's done copying, I'm going to go back to the back end now, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight, just one pair of notes here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that because what I want to do is add a hyperlink. So once that's highlighted, I'm going to come over here and I have insert link, which is this little link here. I'm going to click on that, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the URL. And really important, you want to change the target to be new window. The reason why is when they click on this, you want them to actually open up a different screen. You don't want them leaving your website. So once I've done that, I'm going to choose OK. I'm going to hit save. And now when I come over here and I refresh and I come back to text, now notice this is a different color and it's a link. And if I click on this, it opens up a brand new window, and there is my graphic. In your case, it would be a PDF. So I'm going to show you how to do that again. So once again, inside of your Dropbox, just come over to your PDF and click on share. You're going to click on create a link. Once it's there, you're going to copy the link. And then we can close out of that. We're going to go back to the back end, and I'm going to highlight. You want to make sure you want to highlight everything that you want to be as a link. Once it's highlighted, click on insert edit link, paste the link in there, and then down here where it says target, change that to new window, and then choose OK. Once that's done, you can hit save and close. I'm going to hit save because I'm going to get rid of this a little bit, but you'd hit save and close. And now when you refresh, and when people click on text, there are both of the notes there. So you can have as many as you want, and it links to Dropbox, so that way you won't have any issue with that. And of course, if you ever want to get rid of the notes, you just delete them, hit save, and once that's gone, if I refresh, that read will go away and they only have the PDF. So if you have any other questions, let me know, but that is probably the fastest way to have multiple notes per message.